Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade music on the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot application on your device and you may create your new project or open up any of your old ones from your draft. Once you are inside the edit menu, you can add your preferred media from the plus icon and begin to make your edits right away. Now, if at some point you wish to fade the audio track within any video or audio file, then you can simply tap on this video, or you may also tap on audio to choose your audio tracks. Once you find your audio within which you would like to use your fade, go ahead and tap on it and then tap on volume. Now within the volume section, you will see the fade in as well as fade out options. Just use the slider to adjust the fade in and fade out duration, and you will also be able to hear the preview in real time. After you are satisfied, tap on the tick mark and your fade in and fade out effects have been added to your audio right away. You can do this with as many number of audio clips as you wish, and if this audio is within a video file, you will first need to extract this audio from this file, and after this only, you can use the fade in and fade out options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fade audios within your edits on the Inshot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.